How to integrate YuJa EqualGround with WordPress. Let's get started by downloading the EqualGround plugin. Log in to YuJa EqualGround using your administrator account. From the sidebar, select Configuration, then select Integration Settings. Under Content Management System, select WordPress. Click Download WordPress plugin, then copy the identifier key. You'll need this key when configuring the plugin in WordPress. Next, navigate to WordPress and log in using an administrator account. From the left navigation menu, select Plugins, then select Add Plugin. Select Upload Plugin. Click Choose File and locate the plugin file you downloaded earlier. Select Install Now. After the plugin is installed, click Activate Plugin. From the left navigation menu, select the EqualGround plugin. Paste the identifier key you copied earlier into the Organization Identifier key field. Finally, click Save Changes to complete the integration. Thanks for watching. For more YuJa tutorials, visit our YouTube channel or go to support.yuja.com.